Nice. Zucchini pizza?
Oh!
Open up. Open up. Are you for... I know it's a cat. You can't put the cat in the fridge.
Oh my God. Logan, can you see him?
Wild, she'd be the one who would be leading the herd to food and water, helping
Bruh,
make sure everybody
your
knows
feet
their
lost
place
sync.
in the herd.
Balance said not today.
Let's go, baby! Woo! Oh my God!
Are you okay?
Oh my God!
911.
Pump it up.
You alright?